Hey, all my dear students, spectrochemical series mnemonic. Let's see. ये बच्चे लोग आज आपको स्पेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सीरीज सिखाएंगे एंड आप सारे क्वेश्चंस कर पाएंगे. Yes.
So this is the spectrochemical series along with the mnemonics. We have the series in the increasing order of their CFSE values. That is, first we start from I minus. Indian bro Sachin child Sara nitrate. Here I minus, Indian stands for I minus, bro stands for BR minus, Sachin stands for SCN minus, child stands for Cl minus, Sara stands for S2 minus, and nitrate stands for NO3 minus. So Indian bro I minus BR minus, Sachin's
सब लोग मिलके बोलो क्या बोलो.
Indian bro Sachin's child Sara nitrate
Nitrate.
trade.
Nitrate. Yes. सब लोग बोलो बोलो.
Indian bro Sachin's child Sara in the night she ate. Trade.
चलो बोलो एक बार.
Indians bro Sachin's child Sara in the night she ate. Nitrate.
Yes. Second line. अब आप बताइए second line.
Continuing the spectral series, we are using the mnemonics font of oxalate and water with nachos. Here, font stands for F minus, off stands for OH minus, and oxalate, as we know, stands for CO4, C2O4 2 minus, water as H2O, and nachos for NCS. So here it will be font of oxalate and water with nachos.
सब लोग मिलके बोलेंगे.
Fond of oxalate and water with nachos.
यानी कि पहली दोनों लाइनें वीक फील्ड लिगेंड की हैं. किसकी है?
Weak feeling.
चलो स्ट्रॉन्ग फील्ड लिगेंड.
So next we have the strong field ligands. Here educated stands for EDTA minus, Neha stands for ammonia NH3, is teaching English stands for EN, nitrite stands for NO2 minus, Canada and Colombia stands for CN minus and CO. So educated Neha is teaching English, EDTA 4 minus, ammonia EN, nitrite NO2 minus, Canada CN minus, and Colombia CO. Educated Neha is teaching English, nitrite, Canada, and Colombia. So educated Neha is teaching English, so the night is right in Canada and Colombia.
चलो सब लोग मिलकर बोलेंगे स्टार्टिंग से. दो लाइन स्टार्टिंग की वीक फील्ड लिगेंड एंड लास्ट लाइन फॉर स्ट्रॉन्ग फील्ड लिगेंड. यस.
Indian bro Sachin's child Sara in the night she ate nitrate. Fond of oxalate and water with nachos. Educated Neha is teaching in English in night. So the night is right in Canada and Colombia.
Now this is the trick for electrochemical series, and now the next slide. Next slide. Now see the first. हाँ बताओ समझाओ first point.
So these are the cases that will help us in handling the exceptions in coordination complexes. First we have C2O4 2 minus and H2O. They are the weak field ligands, but when we use them with CO3 plus, that is the in the 3 plus oxidation state of cobalt, they act as a strong field ligand. So if like we use the C2O4 2 minus and H2O for weak field ligand, we will have in all the other cases the hybridization sp3d2, but when we use them as with CO3 plus, we will use them as a strong field ligand and we will.
Very good. ये next page पे बताएंगे आप. अमोनिया second point.
So now here, as we know that ammonia is a strong field ligand, but if we use ammonia with CO2 minus, Fe2 plus, CO2 2 plus, Fe2 plus, Mn2 plus and Ni2 plus, it acts as a weak field ligand. To remember the metals, we use the mnemonic coffee man nickel. So here we'll use it for CO2 plus, Fe2 plus, Mn2 plus and Ni2 plus.
Very good. Last point.
All ligands with 4D and 5D metals acts as a strong field ligand.
Very good. Next slide. Yes.
Here we have some examples for coordination complexes with exceptions. So, as told, COF6 3 minus. Here, cobalt is in the oxidation state, has the oxidation state of +3, and F6, that is fluorine, it is it is a weak field ligand. So, when we find the oxidation state and find out the hybridization by drawing the energy level diagrams, we find the oxidation state of CO3 plus in this complex as sp3d2. That is, it is it will be known as an outer orbital complex, or we can call it an high spin complex or spin free complex, and its Bohr magneton, that is the magnetic moment, will be 4.9, as we have 4 unpaired electron, and as it is a weak field ligand, there will be no pairing, so we will have 4 unpaired electrons.
Very good. Last two examples. Racha, yes.
For the last two examples, here we have CO, ammonia 6 and chlorine. So here, as we know that ammonia is a strong field ligand, but in the case we studied it that it will be weak field with CO2 plus, but here the CO is in 3 plus. So here we'll use here we will use it as strong field ligand. So after finding out the hybridization, as it is a strong field ligand, the pairing will be done. So the hybridization will be D2sp3 in the case of, and it will be known as inner orbital complex or spin pair complex. And since here the all electrons are paired, it will be diamagnetic. Similar for the case of third, we have H2O. As we have seen earlier that for H2O with cobalt, it acts as a strong field ligand. So here again the hybridization will be D2sp3, and it will be known as inner orbital complex and spin paired complex. And again it will also be a diamagnetic complex.
Thank you to both of you. Very, very good, my dear students.